Repair on a Samson Pumps Liquid Ring Pump Truckmaster 1600, KS500, KS725, KS1025, or the Industrial Series 1600 Part 2. Preparation. During this repair, we will replace bearings, mechanical shaft seals, and all gaskets. It is now time to clean and inspect the pump parts. Clean the pump housing. There may be many different types of deposits. Clean the surfaces where the gasket will seal with a wire brush. The flow plates receive the same treatment. Clean the gasket surfaces with a wire brush. Preparation for pump assembly. Install the flow plates in the pump housing using new gaskets from the original gasket set. Ensure the gasket is correctly oriented. The flow plates are best aligned with a couple of long guide bolts to ensure correct placement in the pump housing. Stand the pump housing upright and replace one of the guide bolts with the correct M10 by 90 bolt. Tighten the bolts to the specified torque. It is important to hold the flow plate until the bolts are tightened so the gasket and flow plate do not shift. Preparation of the bearing housings. Remove and save any shims in front of the ball bearing. The same shims will be used during assembly. Again, keep track of the non-drive end and drive end. Remove the bearing with a drift. Then remove the oil seal with a drift. The fixed part of the mechanical shaft seal on the opposite side must also be removed and replaced. The bearing housings may be filled with old bearing grease. Clean everything thoroughly for reuse. Ball bearings and mechanical shaft seals are not reused. Clean the bearing caps of old bearing grease and remove the radial shaft seal. The bearing housings are now ready for new radial shaft seals. Lubricate and press them in with a drift. Lubricate the stainless steel rings and install the new O-ring from the gasket set. Press the stainless steel ring into the bearing housing and install the last new O-ring from the gasket set. Install the radial shaft seal in the bearing cap with a drift.